A cushion that works like full coverage foundation? Let's try it. May mga nag-review na about it and yun ang common na sinasabi nila. I'm so excited but still skeptical. This is the Cover All Perfect Cushion SPF 35 PA+++. Oh, I like the packaging. May mga handprints tayo dyan. Kung may krimen na nangyari sa ibabaw ng Skintific Foundation, kilala niya na kung sino ang pumatay. Charis, na prep ko na yung mukha ko. This is the real skin texture of Helen on Fleek. Kita-kita niyo na, may dark under eye circles, may flare-ups sa mukha, may flare-ups sa noo, sa tenga. Maganda yung ano niya, sponge niya kasi patusok na siya. Pwede na siya sa under eye. Wow. Okay. Meron ako ay shade 03 Petal. Parang darker siya sa akin. Sige, let's try it sa aking forehead. Gagawa ko ng side by side ha. Uy! Natakpan niya yung nunal ko. Ha! Yung nunal kong brown naging gray. Ayan, makikita niyo hindi kami match. Wow! Eh, nakikita nyo naman na natanggal niya yung redness sa mukha ko. Are you serious? Kasi parang sobrang matte ko. Ha! I can say na kahit hindi ako mag-concealer, carry lang. Kasi natakpan niya yung under eye circles. That's the thing when it comes to makeup. Diba, dati nauso sa YouTube era yung kailangan pack, layer, lahat, kahit color corrector, kahit di mo kailangan. Pero kasi, guys, kapag na ganun, especially with our weather, kapag hindi mo kailangan ilagay yun, huwag nyong ilagay. It will make your makeup cakey or magbe-break siya. Ito, hindi ko na kailangan ng concealer, diba? So, hindi ko na siya lalagyan. Kasi, na-correct naman na nitong foundation yung darkness ko sa aking under eyes. Totoo, chika ha. Guys, not sponsored. Binigay lang nila and I want to try it for myself. Ayan o. Natatanggal niya talaga yung pagkapula nung face ko. Actually, ayoko masyado ng sped up na makeup reviews. Mas maganda na nakikita niyo yung actual. Kasi syempre, para hindi kayo mabudol. Naiyak. 2024 na. Let's spend our money wisely. Charis. I haven't used a cushion foundation for so long. Kaya parang super na-amaze ako. It still gives a dewy effect, but it dries down sa face. With this kind of foundation, kahit iset ko lang yung aking under eye, para lang hindi mag-move yung areas na to, and especially sa nose. So, this is how it looks like. It still gives you a healthy shine on the face, but not oily. Because I have seen and tried cushions before na buong mukha ko yung glowy na para akong minantikaan talaga. So this is the complete look using the Skintific Cover All Perfect Cushion Foundation. I love this cushion foundation. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, I haven't used a cushion foundation for so long kasi it doesn't really give me enough coverage, especially now that I got sensitive skin. But this one is really giving, and the golden hour is a paid actor right now. Oh, kita nyo yan. Skintific has 6 shades, which is a good shade range compared to some Korean cushions. It retails for 599 pesos, which in comparison to what I'm currently using now, which retails for like 3,800 pesos. This is really worth it. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilang months ko to magagamit if I use it every day, but this has 11 grams of product. For me, the Skintific is a yes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!